Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we'll talk about a new buzzword in market called as Oken. Now this is Open Credit Enablement Network. Now I have created so many videos on MSMEs, MSME financing and even underwriting. If you have not had a chance, please have a look. I will try to provide some of the links here. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. So without wasting time, let's start the topic of our discussion today. So we are referring to Oken. So as the symbol also suggests, so this looks like a railway track that connects in the left hand side banks or investors to in the right hand side borrowers through your different loan service providers or other apps. Now left hand side is the body, those are interested to invest. Right hand side is the body who have lot of customer connect, so may it be Sahay LSP, Sahay Loan Service Provider, which is a government initiative. I have covered about LSPs in detail. If you have not seen that, please refer to my older videos. Or this Oken also extends its application to other loan service providers. So though Oken was first created keeping in mind of Sahay, now they have made it open for other loan providers, loan service providers also to take the help and help their borrowers with the extended facility of connecting these lenders. Now, not to restrict there, this can also be extended to other apps. That means the apps which are not banking players or not NBFC players, they give it in form of embedded finance to their members, right? Like your for example, your Amazon also would take the help to extend credit to their merchants, to Amazon's merchant. That can also be a viable scenario. And even this has also extended to cooperatives to reach more and more towards the rural borrowers. So what Oken would provide? Oken would provide the standard set of APIs that would be used by both your left hand side banks and the right hand side LSPs to connect, authenticate and do the entire workflow. It would also provide a framework for contract management between these two parties. So may the contract be in form of lenders or in form of just beneficiary providers or service providers of loans or any other arrangement. The Oken will provide support for that. And even automation technology where underwriting and the workflows can be automated to bring down the turnaround time and increase the quality of the loans. Just to refer few facts about Oken. So as we told, this is Open Credit Enablement Network. The work started in 2020. Right now a lot of components are already made, but we will see this in full force by end of 2024 probably. iSpirit is the primary body coordinating the work for this Oken. Now primarily Oken is created for MSMEs, specifically to facilitate small ticket size borrowers so that they can have credit with very lower turnaround time and utilizing the benefit of a lower interest rate. Now overall, if we see the public digital infrastructure would help in simplification of the credit so that multiple borrowers can get connected with multiple lenders or multiple banks through LSPs and make the loans pretty simplified. This will also help to create simpler loan products that everybody can understand. This will also help in financial inclusion, that more and more borrowers can be reached by LSPs and they can take the credit from all these banks or NBFCs. This will provide a competitive interest rate. Now, this is probably the biggest advantage of Oken, where the borrowers will now get benefit to choose the loan with lower interest rate or competitive interest rate, and the probably the kind of loan that suits their need the most. So that is where this will leverage the benefit that the bigger banks now get in terms of lower cost of fund and being offering lower interest rate loans to end customers. Obviously, because of the integrated structure, because of the automation, this will result in reduced TAT. And fifth is having a transparency for your risk assessment purpose and even getting additional security by all those frameworks which are there. Now, as we told, lower cost of fund would be used, what banks get benefited from. Now, this will substantially help bridge some of the gap in funding. We have to definitely remember that we have a need of 131 million MSMEs to fulfill, and a gap of close to 85% of your $7 trillion, which is around $5 trillion. So definitely this is a very good step by government in combining all that, and iSpirit is doing a great job here. But a lot has to come in probably 2023-24 that will make this Oken a real success. Thanks a lot for watching my video, viewers.